Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the case and both AirPods have enough charge. This prevents mid-setup interruptions. Hold the open case next to your iPhone, watch for the pairing card, and tap Connect. Once done, make sure iCloud Sync is on so your AirPods appear on all your Apple devices. If you use Android, put the earbuds in pairing mode by holding the case button until the LED flashes, then select them from Bluetooth settings. This step sets the foundation for stable audio and features. You now optimize fit and controls to improve sound and comfort. Insert different tip sizes and run the fit test, because a proper seal equals better bass and noise isolation. Once fitted, learn the stem gestures. Single press for play, press and hold for noise mode, so you can operate hands-free. Also, make a habit of checking the control center for quick switches between active noise cancellation and transparency. This helps when you need situational awareness versus immersive listening during commutes or workouts. You finish by verifying firmware and sound balance. Open settings, check for updates, and calibrate volume across ears. If audio stutters or one bud drops, reset the AirPods by holding the case button until the LED flashes amber then white. Repair afterward. Make sure to clean silicone tips and speaker mesh gently with a dry cloth. Debris often causes muffled sound. If problems persist, test with another device to isolate phone versus AirPod issues. This narrows down the repair path quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.